Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos when we post. Like this video, that's the only thing that I'll ever ask you to do. If you're looking for Forex robots, Forex systems, indicators and stuff like that, there are links to blogs in the description section below. Just visit the blogs and go through them and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then you can always come back and leave a comment in the comments box below if you have a particular request, and I'll try my best to source what you will be looking for. Of course, if you request something, it often doesn't mean I can get it instantly, because sometimes I also have to buy these things, and sometimes I have to get these things from my other sources and stuff like that. So just be patient. But I will note your comment and I'll try and look for what you'll be looking for. So I haven't been posting a lot on the channel because I've been traveling a lot. I've been up and down, really trying to spend time with loved ones, the wife and the kids. And December is the right time to do it, because if you've gotten on the charts last week, and I can assume this coming week is going to be the same, you will see that there wasn't a lot of movement in the market. Why? Because there are no fundamentals coming out. Everyone is on holiday. The big banks, the traders at the big banks, the traders at the big institutions, the traders at the hedge funds, everyone is taking holiday. Everyone is out there and they're spending time with loved ones, or they are meeting their budget list and stuff like that. So really nobody is at their desk. But it doesn't mean that the markets are not moving. Of course they'll be moving, but it's not the usual movements. So really a tip is, if you are really trading this time, to scalp. Don't expect to hold trades for too long, because you don't know what's going to happen. Any sudden dumping of a currency in the market will result in huge spikes, because most of the guys that you usually depend on to actually move the markets, they are on holiday. So that's just another tip. Don't try to take long-term trades during this time. Just scalp your way if you are trading this time. Then if you're not trading this time, really this is the time for you to go back and look at 2020. How was your 2020? By the way, how was your 2020? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd like to read how your 2020 was. How much money did you make in Forex trading? How much money did you lose in Forex trading? Remember, in Forex, a loss is a loss when you don't take anything away from that. A loss is a loss when you don't learn anything. So yes, you might have lost $500, $1,000, $2 million. Just consider it a $2 million lesson or $1,000 lesson. Learn something from there. What did you do wrong, so that 2021 you don't repeat the same mistakes. People who don't learn from history are always bound to make the same mistakes. So I hope you have been journaling, you've been writing down what you have been doing this year, this past 12 months. Now, when the markets are not moving, the markets are quiet, everyone is on holiday, just take time to go through how your trading was. Review everything, how you made your entries, which entries played out, how did you place your stop losses, were they hit, did they work out, things like that. Patterns, which patterns were most profitable for you this year. If it's indicators, which indicator probably resulted in most of your winning trades. If it's a signal, if it's signal services, who probably made you more money this year than the rest. Of course, in 2021, then you probably need to drop those guys that are just taking your money and not giving you any value. Your strategy, your whole strategy. Where did you succeed with it? Where did you fail with it? Was it indiscipline on your part? Was it impatience on your part? Was it something on your part? Or the strategy has certain weaknesses that you need to address? Maybe you need to tweak an indicator, where maybe you need to improve some entry, or whether you need to play it on a higher time frame, or whether it's effective on a lower time frame. Right now, it's time to not get bothered about the markets. It's time to just sit down and review your work. 2021 is coming in a week or so, and you should be ready. You should have prepared. So prepare hard. Books. Many traders don't read, I promise you. Many traders expect to get everything from their mentor, from their signal provider, from, I don't know. Traders don't read. This is the time to find a good trading book and just sit down and study what it says. Study what other traders say worked for them. We always say the market repeats itself. So if you understand human nature, if you understand the nature of the market, then if it probably worked for the best traders in the past year, it's probably going to work sometime next year. So, yeah, take this time to actually find some good trading books. Again, when the market picks up, when the market starts moving, you are not going to have enough time to be sitting down and reading books, because most of you love to scalp. Most of you are always in the markets, and so there's no time that you're going to say, I'm switching off, I'm going to actually read a book. So this is the right time, a festive season. The markets are quiet, everyone is on holiday. Find a good book, and importantly, uh, find ways to invest your money. I think after saying everything, traders usually are poor with money management, investing, and things like that. I don't know if it's because we always believe the forex market is always going to be there, or it's easy money in forex trading, so you don't need that other extra income. But trust me, there are days where you might be losing money, days where, or a month where you might lose a good chunk of your account. You need that other source of income to actually come in and make sure things are secure. So don't just make a plan. This is end of year 2021. Make a plan to invest in something. It might be property, it might be uh, gold coins, it might be, I don't know, watches. Some people collect watches, and I hear they're a good investment. Eh, I don't I don't know if anyone still collects stamps in 2020 or 2021, but find things of value that have got value to you and value to others that you can actually also invest in, so that in case one day this forex thing does not work for you, or in case things happen, really, your broker might decide to do you uh, bad, and you lose your account, and your account was the only source of income. what do you do in that instance? If you had properties, of course, you can still manage to maintain your lifestyle until you get another broker. If you are invested in other things, a business on the side or another thing on the side, then you can always continue your lifestyle. But if you are solely dependent on forex trading, trust me, it's not a good business decision. What happens when for some reason you end up in hospital and you cannot trade? Maybe you are going to be in hospital for a whole month, 2 months, and in that 2 months you actually cannot come to your trading charts. What's going to happen in that situation? So have an extra income source besides forex trading, and this time it's time to think about it. 2021, what are you going to be doing with your forex monies? Invest them somewhere. Okay, I hope you have fun and spend some time with your loved ones, because when the market opens, yeah, you don't want them to feel you are neglecting them. You want them to feel, when this guy had free time, he did spend a lot of time with us. Don't be that person who just is busy always. Take time to spend time with the family, and hopefully in 2021 we are going to make lots and lots of cash. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I would like to hear how much money you are targeting in 2021. You know, the power of the spoken word, the power of vision. If you can think about it, if you can speak it, if you can write it down, chances are it's ingrained in your mind, it's ingrained in the universe, and sometimes things work out. Sometimes things work out with effort, and you can actually reach those goals. So yeah, I'd like to hear how much money you made this year and how much money you are targeting to make in 2021 with forex trading. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, guys, enjoy. Bye.